True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is our next video of Black River. So I'm going to take you all from Black River to Parrottee. So keep on watching, guys. If you're just new to this channel, kind of subscribe to the channel so you can get update of different places in Jamaica with your tour guide Fire Reid. True Jamaican Vibes. So always click the bell icon and press all, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified of different places I go in Jamaica. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go on our journey with Fire Reid. So I am on the Crane Road area. We'll take you all to Parrottee. So when you're on Crane Road, you have the Crane Road Beach, very close to the safari, and also in Parrottee area you can go from there to the Pelican Bar in the sea. So on your right you have the Crane Road Beach. So you have many different routes you can take. You can take in Jamaica to go different places, so you will see them. Keep the town clean, so let us keep our sweet Jamaica clean. Yeah, man. So you have Beach Hotel 2 miles away from Crane Road. This is our beautiful island Jamaica in the Black River area in St. Elizabeth. We are heading towards Parrottee. Yeah, you all know so Parrottee is a fishing area. A lot of fishing take place in Parrottee. On your right you have the South Shore guest house, bar and restaurant. Yes, my people, one love and one heart. And Las Vegas Cafe is 0.5 kilometers away from South Shore guest house and a bar. Just like up the video, my people. Just press a like. Yeah, man, we want about 1,000 likes on the video, so just like up the thing and share and subscribe, you know, because I tell you, a lot of persons hear about Jamaica, don't know where to go, when to go, but I will take you here and there in different places, different parishes. On your right you have the Las Vegas Cafe. Yeah, if you want to have your wedding reception there, you can come to Las Vegas Cafe. You want to have your dinner, breakfast, lunch or dinner, just check it out. So you can check in my playlist and check for Las Vegas Cafe, and you can see like we're gonna have some rain today. On your right we have the Port of Call Hotel. So on your right you have the Sandbar on Crane Road, St. Elizabeth, Black River. So I'm gonna make a right turn. If you go straight ahead, you will go to Mountainside, Southfield, Treasure Beach, but I will go to the Parottee area. So I'm gonna make a right turn. So you gotta be very careful when you come into this intersection because it's a very dangerous corner. So you gotta look out. And big up Tile R Us Limited. That's where you can get your tiles and all your bathroom supplies. On your right you have the Paradise Ocean View, Parrottee Beach, Black River. So anyone interested in a place here to stay for their vacation or places to buy, at least you get a view of the area in Parrottee, St. Elizabeth. So look at the beauty. So when you're in Parottee, remember you can leave from there. You can take a boat ride to Pelican Bar in the sea. Very, very nice place. You can relax and enjoy the bar. Any type of liquor you want at the bar, you can have it there. So in Parottee you can come to Iglazarus. If you want to have some nice fun there, you can go to Iglazarus. On your left you have the Iglazarus Conference Center, and on your right you have the Iglazarus Guest House. So this is the sign, welcome to Parrottee, drive carefully. So we're gonna respect the tourist product development. Yeah man, have to respect the community service and everything, you know. Yeah man, so bless up on yourself and drive with care in the community in the Parrottee also. Big up on yourself. Pelican Bar boat tour, so you can take a trip to Pelican Bar from here. Yeah man, you can see the gentleman out there with his sign waiting for a trip to go to the Pelican Bar. Real estate, yeah man, real estate Fillers Road on your left. So when you're in the Parrottee area, you can leave from there, go to Pondside, Greenfield, Hilltop. Welcome to Bird's View seafood joint, you know. Big up yourself, you can come here so have, you know, seafood at Bird's View. And also on your right, you have the boat tour to Pelican Bar. Big up all the Parrottee massive them yard and abroad. Big up on yourself and one of there. One love and one heart. watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.